Launching new KataOS and Sparrow. What is KataOS? Kaos One is a plan for a working framework, though Sparrow is a reference execution. For instance, Wayland has a reference execution of the Weston show server. The Rust programming language was completely used to make this new working framework, KataOS. Since KataOS is completely carried out in Rust, so it gives an extremely impressive beginning stage for programming security, since it itself is fit for eliminating the issues brought about by a wide range of bugs, which will be an implicit future, a keen surrounding AmbiML framework. What is open source software? Open source programming is programming that is circulated with source code, the code from which projects are made, which the client can change, improve, and reallocate. That is, open source programming stays protected and free, and the client can get its source code and further develop it as per their need. New highlights can be added to it. One can foster another item utilizing the source code, and furthermore sell it for paid. There is no limitation on this large number of works. Open source projects are the consequence of a common joint effort that is completed by countless individuals. Furthermore, sticks to the rule that data ought to be accessible free to all. In return for such programming, no expense is charged to the clients. Notwithstanding, new items based on these undertakings fall outside this class, which can be sold by the designer or maker for an expense. Advantages of open source programming: the greatest benefit of this product is the free accessibility. What's more, this accessibility isolates them from business programming. Aside from this, there are many advantages as well, which are being told beneath. Free. Liberated from cost. The vast majority of the product made under the open source project is given liberated from cost. However, new items produced from these source codes are not covered under this permit, and client may likewise be charged. Android is an open source project, however, the Android applications produced by it are sold with a great deal of expenses.